GENATA PoF full optical network primarily consists of three components: a PoF switch, an optical splitter, and an optical electrical splitter. The PoF switch is equipped with 10 100M PoE ports, 2 gigabit Ethernet ports, and 2 SCC optical ports. Its total power consumption is 600 watts, providing power to all devices connected downstream in the full optical network. It connects to the optical splitter via an optical electrical composite cable. GENATA optical splitter with 4 optical ports and 1 electrical port is available in both active and passive versions. The active version supports reverse power output to the PoF switch, enabling dual redundant power supply for enhanced reliability. An optical splitter is a device that splits a single optical signal into multiple signals. It can be used in a cascaded configuration, but the number of cascades is not unlimited. The optical attenuation must be calculated to determine the maximum number of cascades, then connected downstream via an optical electrical composite cable to an optical electrical splitter, which separates the optical signal and power supply. The optical signal is converted into an Ethernet port, while the 300 volts power line is converted into either an AC 220 volts terminal or a 12 volts 2 amps DC interface. Here's the interesting part. This optical electrical splitter can directly supply power to the PoE switch, which then connects to end devices such as cameras and access points. This enables ordinary access switches and end devices to be integrated into the full optical network solution. Let's take a look at the performance of GENATA PoF full optical network through a real-world case study. This is the full optical network equipment deployed in a large industrial park, consisting of 3 factory buildings and 1 office building. Each factory building has 16 cameras and 4 access points, while the office building has 8 cameras and 8 access points. First, let's examine the PoF switch in the office building's equipment room. It has 2 gigabit Ethernet ports uplinked to a 64-channel network video recorder and a gateway. The PoE ports are connected to 8 cameras in the office building. The B1 optical port is directly connected to an optical electrical splitter, which powers a 5-port full gigabit PoE switch to connect the 4 access points. The A1 optical port is cascaded downstream to 3 optical splitters, each serving a factory building. Through the optical electrical splitter, each factory building is connected to a 16+2 hybrid gigabit PoE switch for 16 cameras, a 5-port full gigabit PoE switch for 4 access points. Additionally, in the last factory building, the optical electrical splitter also powers and connects a display used for monitoring production progress. It can be said that GENATA PoF full optical network solution not only connects security and communication devices, such as access control, monitors, and advertising player, but also powers lightboxes, computers, printers, and more. That's right, any electronic device within the power limits of the link can be powered. It is primarily used in high-density, long-distance scenarios, such as large supermarkets, upscale hotels, hospitals, and residential communities. Breaking away from traditional transmission methods, it serves as an ideal solution for security networks.